Just look at how generous the limestones is. It's so generous, right? They just, just poured it in here. Gave us this killer design. I'm talking nice barriers, all curved up. Come check out the turf. This is a dream come true. We have been thinking about this, and we're like, okay, when are we gonna knock this out? When are we gonna do this? And we're looking for the perfect contractor, right? They came through, gave us this design. I saw it, I was like, oh no, this is what we're gonna be doing. This playset has a padding, like a foam under for soft landing. I have two kids. One is 1 year old and a 6-year-old. And so in case they fall, soft landing, and this guy's just got it perfectly. I'm talking perfect. Man, I spend less money on cutting grass now. I don't even need my lawnmower anymore. I don't need that anymore. It's just nice. My wife actually took a nap here, and my son took a nap in the playground the other day. Anyone who comes in here, the first thing they ask me is, who did this job, right? And I'm telling them, 365 Turf, they're the guys to go to. They're the go-to guys. If you need a turf job, 365 Turf, okay? 365 Turf, don't forget.